5 home remedies for poison ivy. Many enjoyable nature outings have sent people home with a rather unpleasant souvenir. Some 10 to 50 million people in United States are affected by poison ivy each year. In fact, this poisonous plant constitutes the single most common cause of allergic reaction when you come in contact with the toxic leaves, stems, or roots of poison ivy plant. It can give you an unbearable itchy rash. A poison ivy rash will eventually go away on its own, but itching can drive a person absolutely mad. There are several home remedies that effectively alleviate the various symptoms of poison ivy. First, rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is a solvent containing 70% isopropyl or absolute alcohol, and it is used as topical application. It has disinfectants, soothing and cooling properties that can help get rid of the symptoms of poison ivy. It also sterilizes the affected skin and helps prevent the infection. Spread rubbing alcohol over the affected area and wrap it with the gauze. Do this several times a day for 2 or 3 days. If you apply rubbing alcohol immediately after coming in contact with a poisonous plant, it can help slow down and minimize the extent of the rash as well as your discomfort. Second, banana peel. Banana peel can also come to your rescue due to its soothing and cooling properties. This remedy is very helpful. If you have blisters that have broken open, peel the skin off a ripped banana. Rub the inside of the peel on the irritated skin area for instant cooling relief. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times a day. Third, oatmeal. The avenanthramides and phenol present in the oatmeal contains the anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation caused by the skin reaction to urushiol, the substances in the poison ivy plant that irritates the skin. Boil oatmeal in water, allow it to cool for a few minutes and then apply to affected area while it is still warm. Let it dry on its own and then wash it off with lukewarm water. This simple remedy will give you relief from itching. Alternatively, add a few tablespoons of oatmeal powder to a warm bath water and soak the affected skin area in the water for about 30 minutes. This helps dry out a rash that has started to blister and also relieves the itching. It will also soften and moisturizes your skin, which helps look in a moisture and protect the skin from exterior irritation. Fourth, white vinegar. White vinegar's acid content can help prevent a poison ivy rash from spreading. A cold vinegar compresses will dry out a rash as well as reduce the itching. Mix 1/2 cup of white vinegar with 1/2 cup of water. Chill the solution in refrigerator for a couple of hours. Moisten a cloth in a solution and press it on the affected skin area for 2 minutes. Wait a few minutes and then repeat. Do this for several minutes once daily for a week or so. Fifth, baking soda. Another classical homemade cure for poison ivy is baking soda. Baking soda is a good drying agent and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the itching and inflammation associated with poison ivy. Mix 3 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water to make a thick paste. Apply this paste to rash and allow it to dry. Then rinse it off with cold water. Do this 3 times daily to speed up the healing process. Another option is to take the soothing baking soda bath. Simply pour a cup of baking soda into the lukewarm bath water and stir it gently. Soak in the bath to relieve your symptoms.